Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is based on 20 multiple choice questions on general science for SSC level. So without any delay, let's start. Our first question is, which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? I repeat, which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Your option is option A, oxygen, option B, nitrogen, option C, carbon dioxide, option D, helium. The right answer is option B, nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. Our next question number 2 is, the SI unit of force is, I repeat, the SI unit of force is, your option is option A, Pascal, option B, Joule, option C, Newton, option D, Watt. The right answer is option C, Newton is the SI unit of force. Okay. Question number 3 is, which part of the plant conduct photosynthesis? I repeat, which part of the plant conduct photosynthesis? Comment your answer. The right answer is option C, leaves. Okay, leaves conduct the photosynthesis. Question number 4 is, the hardest natural substance on the earth is, I repeat, the hardest natural substance on the earth is, the right answer is option B, diamond is the hardest natural substance on earth. Our next question number 5 is, which vitamin is known as the ascorbic acid? I repeat, which vitamin is known as the ascorbic acid? Right answer option C, vitamin C. Okay. Question number 6 is, what is the chemical formula of water? I repeat, what is the chemical formula of water? Right answer is option B, H2O. Okay. Question number 7 is, the process by which plants lose water vapor is called it. I repeat, the process by which plants lose water vapor is called it. Right answer is option A, transpiration. Okay. Question number 8 is, who is known as the father of modern physics? I repeat, who is known as the father of modern physics? Right answer option B, Einstein. Okay. Number 9 is, which organ purify blood in human body? I repeat, which organ purify blood in human body? Right answer option C, kidney. Okay. Question number 10 is, the red color of blood is due to, I repeat, the red color of blood is due to, right answer option A, hemoglobin. Question number 11 is, which metal is liquid at room temperature? I repeat, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Right answer option B, mercury. Question number 12 is, the earth revolves around the sun in approximately, I repeat, the earth revolves around the sun approximately. Right answer option C, 365 days. Question number 13 is, which gas is used by plant during photosynthesis? I repeat, which gas is used by plant during photosynthesis? Right answer option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 14, which device is used to measure temperature? I repeat, which device is used to measure temperature? Right answer option B, thermometer. मैंने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस अभी तक सेट किए हैं वो सारे बहुत ही जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन हैं जो एग्जाम में रिपीट होते रहता है और ये बहुत बेसिक है जो आई थिंक सबको आता होगा. तो मैं ये उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब इसका आंसर सही दे रहे होंगे. 20 आउट ऑफ 20 स्कोर करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी? आई रिपीट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, कोल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ इज, right answer is option A, cell. Okay, smallest unit of life is cell. Question number 17 is, which planet is known as the red planet? I repeat, which planet is known as the red planet? Right answer option B, Mars is known as the red planet due to iron oxide. Okay. Question number 18, which is the boiling point of water at sea level? I repeat, which is the boiling point of water at sea level? Right answer option B, 100 degrees Celsius. ओके. क्वेश्चन आपसे घुमा फिरा के पूछ सकता है, बट वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वो कहीं भी हो तो वो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 इज, द स्टडी ऑफ अर्थक्वेक इज कॉल्ड एट, आई रिपीट, द स्टडी ऑफ अर्थक्वेक इज कॉल्ड एट. राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, सिस्मोलॉजी. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच एलिमेंट इज essential for the formations of bone and teeth? I repeat, which element is essential for the formation of bones and teeth in human body? Right answer option B, calcium. आई होप आप लोगों ने 20 आउट ऑफ 20 या फिर 19 आउट ऑफ 20 तो ज़रूर स्कोर किया होगा. प्लीज़ अपना स्कोर कमेंट बॉक्स पे शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू. और कोई भी क्वेश्चन है या किसी प्रकार की क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल रिप्लाई यू. थैंक यू.